4, 5, 6 sell divergence in a row on ES.
Yeah, not in the 4-hour,
So
but in the GP. So this is actually the
yeah,
retest.
so this could still be just buy up and we continue sell if we don't overcome around here, I think. But if not, I think the target is still 26,260, which is 300
Yeah,
points upside
kind of
on
looks
this
good.
week if you're gonna see.
Kind of looks
Yeah,
good as a failed breakdown, but I can't tell.
yeah,
Hmm.
yeah.
Yeah, we are back
You're
inside.
um, yeah. I'm just gonna. Uh, I don't have the RSI on, but this is clearly exhaustion. But we could still take that 26,300
Hmm.
area. But this is on the daily on ES. You see, we're seeing lower and lower momentum. Uh, but it's better on the RSI. But
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna take it away again.
Yeah, it's a kind of a big gap up. It's interesting.
Yeah, very big, very big. 270 points on Nasdaq.
Oh yeah,
Did
last
we have
hour.
some?
Wow.
Yeah. Did we have some news on?
I have no clue.
Uh,
Yeah, we're gonna open up at what, 6:26? Oh, so right at the same spot. Okay. Right at the same spot we rejected on the daily. So we're gonna be opening right at resistance. Or maybe a little bit
yeah.
under resistance. A little bit under, but we're basically there. Maybe you could see a breakout. Um,
Yeah, I think a breakout on the upside is not question. It's possible here.
mm-hmm.
Uh,
You think
I,
they'd really do a failed breakout and then a fake out for a real breakdown again? Maybe.
no. I mean the breakout. With the breakout, I
Yeah, the
think it's
breakout.
possible
Yeah.
that we see it.
I'm saying, but
No.
if this gets shorted, do you think they really would do that? It's kind of interesting.
Oh, they've done that a lot.
Yeah, they have
Failed
done that a
breakout,
lot.
failed breakout, failed breakdown. Then we have here failed breakout, failed breakdown. And then we have again failed break up, failed breakdown. Yeah. You can just count how many times on the 4 hour.
Yeah,
uh,
that's funny.
uh,
Yeah, I guess we have to see how tickers look. But
yeah.
I need a solid win. Jesus, what's going on, man?
It's kind of irritating because I was looking to see the 50% retrace on the upside get filled today, and we're like 170 points above that.
59. Yeah, Apple hasn't moved much either. It's still stuck in its range.
Mm.
Nice little flag, but oh yeah, same similar failed breakdown then, I guess as well. Failed breakdown on the 4 hour, recaptured back above. Now we're back inside.
Wait, I sent a invite to join the voice channel. Is that correct? Join voice,
I don't think
Alex.
I think you have to
No,
have
you need
roles
to
to
be
join
in the
those.
Discord. So invite to join the
Yeah.
Discord first, and then yeah, if you know how to do that.
Not.
Ooh, you found a perk. Alex, are you still looking for the 55?
Invite to server.
Yeah, you can send them that if you want. Wait, what did you say?
Are you still looking for the 55 entry for people? Damn.
Yeah, we might have missed it though. I don't know. I was looking for
So,
55, but kind of bounced already at 56. We came in like
yeah.
low 56, which also isn't a bad. I mean, realistically, like a $1 difference isn't gonna be the end of the world.
Or, yeah.
So maybe we should have just taken it there at 56.
I mean, 57 still isn't bad either. You're still in the
Yeah,
50s.
I don't want 57 though. It was either gonna be 56 or 55. Below that.
We'll see.
Ooh, Microsoft took out that daily liquidity. Nice, broke down. For a big breakdown actually. So this
Yeah, we're
looks
still
good.
under it. We're still under it. We're at 462.2.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
It should have room, I think.
Honestly, I don't see what tickers made this move up.
Yeah, I don't
Looking
know
at
either.
it.
Step zone. What's step zone?
Microsoft might have
Google.
Oh yeah, Google, yeah.
Uh,
An all-time high, I forgot. Yeah, Microsoft looks weak. We should have room down to like 440, 430, 425 maybe. Based on a bigger time frame, but
Can you add him today? Sorry.
yeah, I could add him.
You think is he on the server? Yeah, I think he has his real name. His Discord name.
You can hear your background.
What is that music? I see more buying on the pre-open here. Oh, this is. Oh, CVD. I'm not a fan of
I
big
don't
gap up.
see him yet.
Did you send? I can send you the link, Philip. So you can send.
No. I sent the real one.
Oh, okay.
Well, you
Yeah.
know if he's on.
Yeah. I asked him. Talk to him. Let's see. I talk with so many about the psychology shit. Alex, I don't know what I did. Yeah, but it's like 30 people outside this channel, you know. I get so many DMs. I'm getting my head exploding.
A lot of
I did it
references.
to myself.
Yep.
Right. It's not good. It's not good actually. Shouldn't do too much.
Wow, look at that candle close on Microsoft or Google. Really strong still, honestly. It looks good for higher still. New all-time high again. Wow.
Uh, he's with in the channel now.
Let's see. What? That's his name, right? Nikolai?
Yeah.
Cool.
I'm not sure. I forgot. Don't say that.
I see.
Cause I.
Yeah, I see.
Hey guys,
Oh, hello.
Yo.
Oh, there we go.
So now you need to speak English.
you're talking to me? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. I've had a few years of gaming in me, so it's all good.
That's good.
Oh, we have a new person here. Welcome.
Hey, my name is Niklas. I'm from
Hello, this
Sweden
is
as well.
Samir. Welcome.
There's the kid.
Yeah, that Head and Shoulders is playing out nicely on Nvidia. Yeah, she sold some more. Filled part of that imbalance. Not all of it, but we came about like halfway there. Yeah, it's still kind of setting up nicely. Alright.
Mm.
Nice.
I'm sorry. Look, I like it.
I would argue that yeah, that's true. 170 hold could also be could possibly see buying here also, right? 180. 81. Right, 2, yeah.
36.
It's not like.
That's-
This weekly imbalance almost got filled on
that's a lot.
meta here after it sold. We have earnings coming up soon. I think next week. Right? No, 2 weeks.
Yeah, 2 weeks, 2 weeks. By the way, Nikolai, you can talk whatever. It's free voice, by the way.
Yeah, I just mute myself when my daughter is playing a bit.
Uh, yeah, I can hear her a bit. Yeah.
She's laying on the table right now.
That's Is that taking you back, Philip? Is that bringing back memories for you?
No, not again. Not again. I'm done. Let me be the old guy here.
Oh my god, I just realized, Alex, you and me are next in in line to go for kids.
Yeah. You guys keep on waiting. Not me.
I
Not yet.
gotta wait until I'm at least 25 or no, maybe 27 or 28 at minimum.
You know I'm quadruple. You could do that also. You could get 4 kids each at the same time.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Absolutely not.
Yeah, PayPal. Wow, PayPal's already at 58. Huh.
Yeah.
$2
Oh,
for
that's
the
strong
first one.
buying.
Yeah, really
Yeah.
strong buying there.
No.
I think we'll still be okay. We should be able to still get that 55, I think. Do like that area overall. But yeah, this whole area was pretty valid if you even just draw like a zone across here.
Yeah, it's a nice supply area there.
Yeah. So yeah, either way is a nice ad, I think. And then yeah, we'll just look for like 62, 65, maybe 70 again. Which is, yeah, kind of like that same position as NVO, like 20, 25% for the long term. Quite nice.
Yeah. That was a head and shoulder, by the way. But it's right at the neckline on PayPal.
Yeah. We'll still wait on our entry. I think we should still be able to get it, so that's fine. Not too worried about that.
That was a rich idea, right? Oh, that's.
No, that was my idea.
Oh,
I was
okay.
gonna say
Okay.
that was not my idea.
And then CVX, I think it's still doing good. 66.
My idea was I think mine was Logitech. I actually haven't looked at it in a while.
Oh, Logitech.
I know they're coming out with a new mouse. And their earnings just came out recently too, and they did just tank a little bit.
Oh, we have 1 minute till. Do we have news today?
I don't think so.
No.
No, we should be okay. All right. Yeah, CVX, I think possibly up to 200 in time, if that news is correct. But like I said, still a bit unsure with that name. All right, here goes the open. Give it time.
Yeah, this is not the easiest when you gap up like this.
Yeah, no. So that's kind of what I want to see. I want to see whether or not we actually decide to see some real buying or not. And this is going to be an actual failed breakdown, or could be gap and go possibly.
Google are dumping though here.
Yeah, we have a 5-minute higher low right now. So off this opening candle, let's see if it actually sells and we lose this higher low here.
Yeah, so they flipped quite a lot to the downside here on the open first candle there.
1,000 psych here as well. Oh yeah, Google sold a lot. Wow.
Yeah, sold all the way to the supply area to 334 again.
holding right at the trend line right now.
Yep.
Let me draw on cues so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Yeah, we have VO up below us. And we also have a 15-minute imbalance also sitting below us. Right at 870. 875.
See some buying on the CVD with price here on that 900 level.
Yeah, this is a nice spot to hold. Since it is the higher low.
Yeah. Should be a lot of covering on the overnight action also though. So if this wanna break here, not.
Yeah.
Nvidia looks quite strong here though, 187. I need to see your. Yeah, you don't have anything here either. No.
Now below 183, and then yeah, we should just go.
Yeah.
I think for that previous hive day.
Yeah, I have a level at 26,000 psych level or 600 psych. Just
Oh, on Nasdaq you mean?
26. Yeah.
26,000 psych. Oh yeah. That's gonna be actually the upper trend line. I think I have drawn
Yeah.
for that wedge breakout.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I have that as well.
But it's kind of looking like it's gonna fail right here.
Tesla is buying quite a lot here. Right to p-hod. Microsoft at supply.
We're kind of mixed here. Nvidia looks
Yeah.
quite good actually, pulling above that overnight high. But yeah, everything else is kind of selling a little bit, but
Using that little trend line over from the 830, 800.
we tapped on the VWAP there on Q. Gotta close here in about 20 seconds. So let's see. It looks like we're gonna probably lose this 5-minute structure and then hold right at VWAP for right now. Although we should be able to continue lower since we lost structure there. Held VWAP. On the close, based on tickers, we should have room here.
Google is selling quite deep here.
Yeah.
I think ES is gonna make a touch on 7,000 at least.
Yeah, it's 4 points from here.
Yeah.
It's nothing weird that we see some selling at the open though after that gap up to take profits, right? So Microsoft sold also to the low there, 461.
We should get that VWAP line up on Q's and SPY. SPY's really close to tapping into that. We should be able to get that, I think. So this could still get held up here. Still holding above VWAP for right now, and then if tickers start seeing some buying, because we haven't really. Yeah, Apple actually kind of looks decent to hold. Microsoft might have room to overnight low, but Google's already at overnight low right here. So.
Yeah, I think most tickers looks good here.
Yeah, Meta buying up here.
Yep. Breaking above the overnight high.
Tesla looks good.
I mean, I'm just not super fan of buying the first trace on a big gap up like this. Typical go lower, but see. Tickers looks
VWAP
quite
on
decent.
NQ's at 784, right?
Uh, 780.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah.
yeah. It is. It is. It line up with P HOD.
Yeah. Okay.
Pretty high, yeah.
It's
I
actually a
see
lot higher.
buying. Yeah, yeah. I see buying on the CVD on the Nasdaq contract, but the MNQ is selling quite hard here.
It's gonna be interesting if we dump below 7,000 or if we're gonna have bounce.
Below 7,000?
Oh,
Watching
it's not
ES.
ES.
No, my
He's
bad.
You guys are watching SPY, I guess.
no NQ and ES or SPY QQ. It doesn't.
Yeah. Could
Should be able to pull down to this level I have on keys, I think. 625.
I like this lower also. Tesla sold that P HOD right to overnight high.
Yeah, I kind of like
Don't need
this
to be
down
one.
to like 830 and look long, I think. Nice area from the 15-minute that we were kind of consolidating around.
here's 7,000. Do we hold or do we push?
Yeah, this is my new supply on ES. But
If you could get a draw pass here, I would like that.
yeah, I have a line at 830 also.
Like the 34 bottoms. 834.
Yeah, kind of around there. Like 830 to like 815, I guess. Around there.
Yeah, I have my levels around that 816 to 827.
Very nice. Glad we're all on the same page.
We are not on the same page at all. I don't know what the hell you guys are looking at.
Yeah.
I'm so
We hit.
and it's still
We hit minus supply there on the left, 5 minutes high. Previous from that
Yep.
850 with ES 7K. So this could get bought up here also because
Yeah, I was
Nvidia is breaking above.
right at the level I had there on keys. Tapped into that, got bought. Still holding view up here on the close for both SPY and keys. Let's see if this is a failed breakdown on a 5. If you get a recapture above that opening candle. But I think takers
someone that
should have room here, I think. At least some, anyways. I think Microsoft still has a little bit room down to that overnight low.
So it is going up here, but this area so little retrace from the open price action. Apple failed on the breakout on the upside there with Microsoft selling to overnight low again. Looks like the first tap on 7K there. Just saw some buying with minus supply and trying to sell it again. So it is flat now.
Yeah, no news today, so no news for the rest of the week actually.
I think we could have a bit of a downside if ES breaks 7,000 here. We have kind of to 69.90 and 88 next levels in ES, according to me at least.
Yeah, no, I'd agree. Below here, yeah. That should also line up with Q's then. That would take us down to that what 813, 815.
Yeah, 816s like.
Yeah, that'll actually line up nicely on Q's and SPY, and yeah, that's kind of my buy area for me.
Yeah. They are trying to buy it here though, based on tickers and CVD. On
Yeah,
this
and Q is holding a bit stronger than
850 area.
Maybe we'll see the drop now in ES. And Q just faking it out.
I love fake outs.
I kind of like to watch the, because NQ usually wicks more and fakes more, and I kind of like to watch them both and just. I can look at supports in ES and take trades in NQ just because I like the stop loss better and stuff like that. I don't know how you guys.
Yeah, we do the same kinda. We look at
Yeah.
both. Yeah.
Yeah.
I see some real buying on the CVD here. NVIDIA is still really strong. Yeah.
Yeah, this isn't a bad area to long, but
Boom.
it's not my preferred
Push.
spot, to be honest.
Yeah. I didn't like it a lot either. It's just that it looks quite strong.
Yeah, tickers are holding out there.
Yeah, look at Google there, Alex, and Apple,
Yeah,
Meta.
leading this.
Yeah, NVIDIA is by far the strongest here. With Avego, really strong also. I think go for a NHOD here. Should be quite strong push. Oh, that's a lot of points. Wow. Okay.
Yeah, that's a big candle.
Yeah. They closed above the 900 and pushed to 930 directly.
Filled the imbalance on a 5. Would have to see. Yeah, this looks good. SPY still holding above you up here as well. Should see a break above overnight high here.
I couldn't enter where I wanted to enter. I had someone called me and it threw me off.
Oh, did you take a long, Rich?
No, I was gonna take a long because it came back into the channel that made Alex talk about in the beginning for the 26,000 psych level, but
Yeah.
I missed it.
ES is by far not as strong here.
Yeah,
Just
no, I agree.
wicking.
This could be our long entry though. If we want to look long, this would be it. Although I'm still not fully convinced this is gonna break until we're actually above overnight high, but
50-point reaction canal there on that close. Wow. Apple is selling here with NVIDIA also. First red candle of the day. Based on the CVD, I don't think this is fake upside though
yeah, no, I'd agree.
on this.
I think this is just a retest.
25,900 level touch.
Yeah, retesting at 900.
Kinda interesting if we break it here or if we
Tickers are throwing me off a
might
little
see a
bit though.
push.
Too long here.
Yeah, they're not really good.
But I like the chart for I like the setup here on Qs. It's actually a really nice entry at that 900.
It's definitely throwing me mixed signals. Like I want to hop in for lunch right here. It's a perfect entry.
No, I'm not a fan here.
Yeah, it's throwing me
It's
off
just
a little
tickers
bit.
right here.
I like that original long at 900 for that and hot push, but we got that and sold, and I don't like this as much anymore. But it doesn't look bad though. The tickers are just, I don't know. Almost wanna try a short to the 830 area, but this is Nvidia that strong. Tesla, no.
Yeah, some tickers have support now.
Yeah, I think it's likely to go higher than lower based on CVD and but do any of you guys trade with TradingView? I have
I do.
a yeah. Have you had problems today?
No, not really.
Uh,
I haven't taken
uh,
a position there.
okay. I do. No. Okay. A friend of me DM me and said he has problem. Yeah, the S&P, right? Nasdaq took the high and not the ES. Yeah. See you, Carlos. Google sold that. Retouch up to P-Lod. Meta sold hard on the overnight high also.
Yeah, Google looks like it might be able to flag there at that overnight low, but still have to actually lose that level there.
Yeah, the case for lower here would be Nvidia backtesting view up, mostly, honestly.
Yeah, yeah.
She one more leg down here to 830.
Yeah, it
Philip,
feels
I
like
think.
depends
Sorry.
on. You go.
Hey, Philip, I
I
was
like
just
it.
saying, I might have missed, but it looks like CVD is getting hit pretty good right now.
Yeah, CVD is getting hit. Yeah.
I think dump here. ES below 97, probably.
Yeah, Apple looks good also here for lower. Google. Yeah. That's sold quite hard though. Hard for entry there.
Yeah, not really my ideal spot for entry if I were to look short.
No. I wanted the
Like
830.
900 maybe. Would have like 900.
Yeah. Yeah, I like the 830 target or at most VWAP 800 psych here for short. So.
So there's the new
It's getting a bunch
low
of
we
mixed.
just put in.
I think if you were fast there to 890, that was nice break. But if not, it just went too fast to 860.
ES could have a little bit of support here at 94s.
Yeah, on the left, I see.
Like 93, 94s.
Oh, Hitch, red day doesn't matter. It's fine. We all have red days.
Yeah, we had on Monday. First red day on Monday.
I had like 3 red days the last 2 weeks each. So,
Oh, really?
yeah, I think so. Something like that. I'm the red day king.
Yeah, we still have to clear below this 850 to actually lose structure, I think.
I took a long at 52 on a, and I'm looking for TP for ES to hit like 699.
That's not a lot.
699.
Yeah, just a couple of. I think that will make NQ go like 880 or something.
I think
Stops
we.
at 32.
I like it down to we up here on the Nasdaq, I think, but we'll see. I like it a bit lower, I think.
I might be looking at
I
longs
just-
around this area.
I just don't like. Okay.
My bad, Philip.
No. You know, when I say it's wrong. You should buy 1,000 Nasdaq here.
Inverse Philip.
Yeah.
Like, no,
Best way to earn
I'll
money.
be hands off for right now. But no, this
A
looks
nice,
viable.
nice buying there.
Taking half there.
Yeah, nice buy on the CVD there. It should have room to retest 895. We want to see buying here. They're kind of fast. 900 again.
Out.
Oh, nice. Well
Second
done.
guessing myself too
I
much.
don't like ES stalling here at 7,000. And the one.
No, Nvidia didn't hit VWAP there. Oh no, I wanted
No,
a bit
close though.
lower.
Really
Yeah,
close.
Still
Just
can.
support resistance.
Just need some
Yeah.
time for
Yeah.
the candles to develop. I still want to be hands off here. I don't want to really touch anything.
Yeah.
Still just stuck in a range for right now. I would like to have a little bit more conviction with tickers before taking anything.
There we have that 895 fill. CVD is buying here. Google
This
is
is
buying.
this is like my third time second guessing myself today.
Oh.
And it going in that direction. Jesus.
Oh.
It's alright.
You don't need to trade 20 times a day either. It's fine. But this could set up in a W pattern. And you see the high ticking again, possibly here. With that buying there on the 845, 847. Yeah. Nice buying there. Look, I was wrong.
I literally drew it out and everything and said I was going long, and then I hesitated and it popped up.
That's kind of why I'm here, Philip. So I don't need to trade 20 times a day.
Yeah, yeah.
Practice that, you know.
Yeah. Okay, so now you took one trade. Now you take one more and not more than that, right?
Yeah.
Something like that.
I'm just taking it on a practice account. I'm up 150, 1,500 on combines already. So
Very nice. Very nice.
I think you could have waited a bit for that exit though. It was very fast.
yeah.
When you saw that buying on that liquidity sweep on Nasdaq, it looked good for 895 for me.
Yeah.
900.
Yeah, I like
I had
900
the
here.
Yeah.
I had the look on the. I took a trim when ES hit 7,000, like I said,
Yeah.
but I didn't really like how ES stalled, so I took 3 micros off, and then I took two micros off, like half a minute later.
I mean,
But
30
yeah,
points, that's not bad.
100%. What do you say?
30 points, it's not bad.
Yeah, 30.
But I'm just saying that because he has a bad, like, quite a lot of time. He takes like 10 points. That's why
Yeah, I was gonna say.
I try to. I mean, I'm the paper handler myself also, right? But we all, if we all improve on that area, we all get better I
Definitely
mean,
got a
of
really good
course, we
entry.
Well, if I don't disturb anyone, I can maybe introduce myself a little bit.
Yep.
Um,
Sure.
I'm Niklas. I'm from Sweden, like Philip. I've been watching and trading NQ for like 2-3 years. I have a lot of 1,000 hours of screen time, but I struggle a bit to keep it together. You know, like when it comes to a bit of over trading. You know, we all see the good patterns and the nice entries, but it's a matter of holding my trades correctly, like Philip said here, and basically just doing dumb shit, you know. Um,
Yep, makes
so
sense.
yeah, the benefit for me in sitting in a place like this is to it's not as easy to get into the zone like it is when you're sitting alone and you're just like yeah you get 5 ideas and you start believing in all of them all of a sudden because you're so locked in.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and sitting in a place like this makes you. Someone says something, you're actually looking at it and you're like thinking through it in your head, and um, it's good, you know,
Yeah, I
because you
agree.
look at the charts more than the P&L, and it puts your focus
uh,
where it should be, not
yeah, yeah,
elsewhere.
yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of with
It's a
me
bit.
with the
It's
psychology, because me and Philip talked about this. When I'm trading here and giving live executions to you guys, it kind of forces me to be on my A game with like risk management and not tilting and taking multiple trades. So that's kind of why I'm here and doing the executions on live. So
yeah.
that definitely helps me.
Yeah,
So I'm sure you guys probably might feel the same way when you're sitting in here and kind of listening. All right.
Same way for me. It helps with. I mean, we all are prone to over trading, tilting, and everything. It just based on if you don't do it over time, you get used to not doing it, and that discipline helps you over the long term. And if you're accountable, the slip ups is going to be less and less, and one day it's gone, right?
Yep.
I mean, it could always happen for everyone, but I mean, it's nice to. I mean, yeah, it's really nice
yeah.
to have that help.
I mean, it's like the technical analysis and watching levels like this, and if you've watched thousands of hours screen time, like you can kind of get a feel of where you do want to see some volume coming in and where you don't want to touch stuff. But it's just a matter of sticking to it or not, you know.
Yep.
Like,
Look,
are
look.
you accountable and do you do the
Uh,
right things or do you?
I'm gonna say this looks still like we're gonna see we up on Nasdaq, but it's just we have a slight head and shoulder pattern on 1-2 minute probably, but I'm
Yeah, I could agree.
just
I still don't really. We're just range bound for right now.
yeah.
That's all this is for me. So nothing actionable for me just yet, especially with the way tickers are setting up. I'd still prefer long, I think overall, but
Yeah, same.
me saying this isn't gonna pull lower.
Of course, we look at that 26K previous week high. That's a nice level. Like that also.
I kind of think that someday in the future I've sent it to you, Philip, but this 60 26,100 level, the four top at NQ, it needs to break sometime, I feel like. But is it today?
Yeah.
Potentially?
We just talked about that
That
failed
was in
breakout
there.
and breakdown for the last 3 months.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But today, Philip. No, I'm just kidding.
today's the day.
I mean, we had a larger structure failed breakdown, so it's possible, but I still see exhaustion here, both on tickers and CVD. Uh, it just, yeah, I cannot get the feeling out that I'm seeing that over and over. We're not breaking higher.
Yeah, Google's selling here. Tickers don't look
No.
great. Apple looks kind of weak here.
Yeah.
Microsoft's still holding overnight low. doesn't look super weak, but it could pull lower down to that P lot and continue to stay in this area. And we didn't get that VWAP backtest on Nvidia yet, so it's kind of
No.
what I'm looking for here.
But it's holding up quite well here,
Yeah,
actually.
still just a week
Nvidia.
down.
Yeah.
Just gonna take some time.
Sorry. I'm just not a fan of buying the breakout after 260 points up. I just have a so hard time doing that mentally. It doesn't mean it's wrong though. Just
100% agree. ES is looking a bit stronger though, I think.
oh, they still both have the same head and shoulders 1 minute pattern here. But yeah, it's still holding that 7K.
I'd have to see something a little lower for me to take a long. It's sitting at that support and resistance in the 850 range, but it's not really doing anything.
See what happens here at 98.
But if we shift from the LOD here and go lower to VWAP and we don't see direct buying, this could still be a gap and trap. But I don't think it's possible. 100% big chance, but still like 720 is not a back test. 4 hour higher, it's also possible that we see exhaustion. So this could have some room also if you want to see downside, but it's really slow, which
I took that long at 74s, stops at 54s at the bottom.
come
So
down,
don't you
bro.
run like
Come down.
20,
Come down.
20 points normally? Or what is your
Uh,
usual stop?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like 15 to 20 points, but
Okay.
I've had a little bit of issues with being a bit too tight with, especially with these markets.
Yeah.
Oops.
Yeah, I was gonna say with 15, 20 points, especially with this volatility, it's super snug.
Yeah. I think it's a bit too tight,
Yeah.
honestly. But I mean, depends on your entries, right?
You'd have to have a near perfect entry though to not get
Yeah,
stopped out. So pull
but
back.
look at this 1 minute here. If we lose that 855, you would expect this to drop to 830 at least. So
Yeah, if ES doesn't hold
and
this.
this 7K, yeah. We're trying to. Oh.
Just having the thumb on the mute button, sorry.
He's sad. Go and make her happy. I still like the 730, 740 long. If this gonna slowly grind down, if we don't see buying. I think, but that's quite a long way. When I
My bad. Go ahead.
no, never mind.
Forgot I wasn't muted. My bad.
Tightening so much here.
That wedge is what I'm looking for.
I think this will pull lower.
You know that slow grind down after a big move until like 2 hours, and then you start to see upside again. It's like my.
Yeah.
Oh,
Might
I'm
just
not
be a long,
sure.
just a
I
long
think,
waiting day today.
6 hours of trading.
yeah, I love 6 hours of trading. I mean, this is not moving at all anyway. So That's some nice buying on Nvidia at least. But Tesla is selling here. I think this short to view up isn't bad, honestly. It's 50 point. Could have a stop above
880,
890,
you mean?
880.
Yeah.
Yeah, 890.
I think that's valid as well, actually.
Yeah, Nvidia going for view up then.
1 minute flag here, breaking down. Yeah, we should get it here.
If I just didn't say anything, I just took it. I said. Good. Good. Really slow though. Really slow.
I just didn't see enough points to want to take the short for the
Yeah,
flag,
it's
the
50
wedge.
points is still decent, but
It's not 50 point anymore.
yeah, it's not
No, I
50
think
points
it's
anymore, but
But for me, yeah.
I think we're
Yeah, that
limited on downside here, in my opinion. Well, I think we'll get
that was
our move down, but it's limited.
that's what I mean with like 870, 875, 860 even. Go for a weave up. It's nice. I think it could go a bit lower than that, but I mean, they're trying to hold it up, trying to hold it up even here. So equal lows. Oh no, it took the low on him.
Did we
So
take the
buying
low?
dark.
Oh yeah, we did. We did it on Q. Oh, we did. We did on Qs.
Yeah, but not ES. I still favor weave up here though, but I'm not that sure. Oh.
Is this going to be a slow grind down, Dave?
It could still hold this area of C and HOD. Overnight high, previous week high. That's the problem.
If this is gonna keep pushing, I want to see some volume in ES.
Did you get stopped, Nikolai?
Yep.
Yeah.
I'm break even.
Yeah. ES has had a nice push there.
Yeah, I got some buying there, which is actually nice. Failed
Yeah,
breakdown on 1 minute.
Yeah, ES looks stronger here, and Nasdaq had a nice buying there also. Yeah. These moves are bigger than we see, by the way. 8R is not that low here. I mean, if it's very, very, very choppy. It's almost 40.
That interview soon, Jesus.
This looks kind of good. Kind of want to take this here.
And they sold it again. I sold the 7K again on ES and that EB mid. And on Nasdaq. The low. You didn't take it, Alex, right?
No.
Just look at Apple and Nvidia. They just sold that, trying to break higher. With Meta also. And just can just be a retest though. Google see some buying here. Tesla. Just a retest.
Don't mind tickers here.
Yeah, I agree. Nvidia, Google looks good here. Same with Tesla, Microsoft.
And I think the push is coming here.
Okay, I'm long
Like
here.
900, 910s maybe.
Right at 80.
I was trying my hardest to get a lower entry. It just was not working.
Yeah, you have 50 stop then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
30-point stop. We'll look
CUD
for
CUD is going up here.
this looks good for a push up to P hot here, I think. I think with SPY starting to lose this lower high structure, or breaking out from this lower high structure, that should allow a push up to overnight high, take out the liquidity at what is that, 694.56. Basically look to target overnight high. Entry might be a little bit risky as it's right at the breakout.
Yeah, it could be the 50-minute candle here. Still just.
Wow, 50 is like nothing,
Yeah.
even with 30 points. It looks like it's literally still
Yeah.
holding side structure at 50. Which I don't really like, but based on tickers, I like this here. Only concern is stop placement here.
I don't like the 5 here. We have reacted that. It's a lower high. So selling there, which you didn't want to see.
It's the retest here on SPY. SPY did break out on that close.
No, ES for me has not. Oh yeah. Not on the close though.
At least the way I have it drawn.
Oh,
If you see my screen.
let me
Something like
look.
this,
Oh,
right? You could say it's right at it then, I guess. But
if, for me we're just in a point where we have a higher low. I mean, it's mostly shop, right? To be honest,
yep.
mostly shop. But based on the 50-minute here, yeah, this could turn up in time, or also go for retest lower. I think 2-5. Not my favorite PA here.
Yeah,
CVD
I
is
agree.
going slightly down.
Not in love with this entry either, to be honest. Kind of wish I got like a 60, 70 entry.
Yeah, not after that reaction, right?
Yeah,
Kinda don't like that.
that kind of rejected right at the top end of
Yeah.
that 1 minute range.
Yeah. You want to see it break out there and go for that 900 plus break upside. Maybe there
I
is.
mean, it looks strong though.
So,
Looks like it.
I like
uh,
SPY here.
ES
I
was
like
building
this
up.
retest there on SPY.
yeah. If SPY go higher here, we should go for overnight high again, 7,012.
Just our entry is like scuffed.
Yeah.
You guys still in, yeah?
Yep, still in.
Yeah.
30-point stop we have. So right at 50. I like the setup overall. Just need some momentum from tickers here. Need something to lead this breakout. But all tickers are at support here, which I like. SPY held up nicely, so we should be able to see that break. And like I said, we'll look to target overnight high here, so around like 950 or so. 950 previous high of day. Right? No, not previous high of day, sorry. We were well above that. Yeah, just overnight high. This looks good here. SPY looks good. I want to see Q's get this close above VWAP into 9 EMA there. I'd be a little bit more confident in the setup if we were able to do that. The SPY looks good here. Microsoft that overnight low. Trying to hold that. I could see Microsoft going up to VWAP. So 460. Still need to wait for a break on Apple there. It's still kind of trending, which I don't really love, but video retesting. Sold down a bit. I'm a bit worried that that might actually still want to go for VWAP and then get bought. It's possible, but
Yeah, that was my idea there on the NVIDIA
it
there.
could. It's
What
actually
do you
pretty
think?
close to VWAP.
Yeah,
So if it
yeah,
dips
yeah.
down a little bit and then gets bought, that would actually work out nicely for us. But not in love with this momentum right now, especially with our stop placement.
Kind of like your stop though. If we break 50s,
Yeah,
I
if we
think that
break
we could have.
below it, yeah. But we could also wick. We could wick our stop and then still get bought, since our level is still holding up there. Because that's technically the lower end of the range still. Even if we don't, or even if we tap into it on a 5-minute, it could still get bought and hold. Which is a little bit concerning, but SPY looks decent still. I think Nvidia is going to get that VWAP tap. Really close now.
What a slow day. Oh my god.
Yeah.
That's a nice push though, but
Yeah, nice push there. SPY looks still great. Really got to see this close above you up on Qs.
yeah.
Just range bound for right now on the 1 minute. Struggling a little bit.
Yeah, no follow through at all. You're seeing exhaustion. It's very, very, very slow on this range. Google sold there. Maybe Apple selling. Microsoft was at supply, but it didn't buy up. Tesla looks good, and if Apple could see some buying here, we could see some momentum for at least ES and HOT. Would be nice.
This looks good. Yeah, this is what I have on that 1 minute. 1 minute is breaking out here from its range.
Nice, guys.
Go. 1R here. Looking for a little bit more. I want to start trimming when that SPY taps in that overnight high there. Then I'll take my trim. Yeah. Should get out here on some momentum. At least take half. I think is valid. Super close. I think we should be able to get it.
That's sold at
Yeah, I
911
don't like that close.
area.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, if we had better entry there, I think we would have been fully out of that. Did not get my trim though, unfortunately.
It sucks because I had entries. I had like 9 different entry points.
9 different entry points. We took one trade.
Yeah. No, I had like 9 of them that I was like that I second guessed myself on.
Oh, I
I
think it's
didn't
gonna
take
fail
it.
breakout on the 1. I think we're gonna get tagged out here. But I don't really like that. Lower high, yeah. Keys lower 5 minute lower high. We just kind of had a pop above and then got sold.
Yeah, because Nvidia lost weave up there.
That's holding right at it. It's holding right at it.
Oh, maybe, yeah. I could still hold, I guess, right?
Yeah, still could
It
hold.
just, we went back into range. We wanted that ES push to new HOD. Man, that's.
It
Did you
could
take
still work.
that, Nikolai?
No,
Okay,
I'm
okay.
just
I
watching.
just listening. Yeah.
Still could work on the retest here, but
Yeah.
yeah, I don't really want to see that come back in a range like that.
Yeah.
Especially since the 5 minute is still
Y-
holding inside structure there. Would have liked to at least get my trim off on that momentum and then I'd be a little bit happier.
Yeah. The video is showing some exhaustion here.
Apple kind of looks good here.
Yeah, Apple looks good. Microsoft, if it's hold overnight low here, Meta looks good. Tesla looks good. Google doesn't look good, but
Yeah.
just feels like this is a day where it's CVD is going up on the Nasdaq's contracts, which is nice also, but that could just be you see those candle on ES went to EB mid there. Gonna see a push again for the overnight high break. Get some shorts out, but still not a fan when it react like that on the candle close.
It's quite trappy here.
Yeah.
Very trappy here.
Yeah.
So yeah, maybe we shouldn't really look for a whole lot based on this current price action.
Yeah.
So maybe it was valid to take that exit there.
Yeah, I would have loved to get that exit. Because Nvidia is selling weave up here. It could overnight high. So
Yeah, SPY gave up some momentum there.
yeah.
Super close to that overnight high. I really thought we'd get that there, but just shy of it. Just shy of it. Here we go.
Looks
Yeah,
good. Could get stopped there. Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm so fucking stupid. I put the wrong order.
Oh no! Don't do it like me. No.
Oh my god, I got out so quick. I was break even and now I'm down 13. Unfortunate. I was up. Unfortunate.
yeah. Just trappy price action here. Probably don't want to
No.
really touch this. Still could hold here actually, based on the close.
Oh, Carlos, show that in the main chat. Didn't see that one.
Oh yeah. What is that? 5 minute.
And the candle closed almost with the others there. Nvidia bought up to weave up. Apple sold though.
Yeah, just range bound here.
Are you still in?
No, we're out.
No,
Okay, I
no, we
was
got
like,
stopped.
whoa.
I
Now.
think the setup is still valid as long as we're above 50 here.
Yeah.
I'm wondering if I said was my worry will actually happen.
Yeah. ES is still holding 7K here, and EB mid.
Yeah, holding view up there.
Holding weave up. Oh no.
I will hang myself, I swear to God.
Microsoft holding overnight low. Meta is pushing here.
It looks good. See that? Still looks good.
Do we re-entry or not is the question.
No, I'd like to wait. I don't really want to get this high of an entry again. I'm gonna take it. Yeah, I really don't like having to take a re-entry on the setup. Especially when it takes me out like that.
But based on the Nvidia, if it wanna go, it should go here, right?
Yeah.
With Microsoft, just Maybe just the range high again there. Range low to range high was nice. Yeah. It doesn't look bad.
Yeah, still looks good. Still looks good in my opinion. I don't really. I don't want this entry though. I say that. I really don't want this. All I had to do was just go up a little bit more. 918, I would have taken a trim. Around that 1 minute liquidity, but it's gonna go here. Unfortunate. Unfortunate wick out. Where did it go? Down to 40, 43. Around the stop at 40.
There might come the big push here.
Yeah.
Of course. I think it could be a big candle in NQ to like at least 20-30s.
Yeah, like I said, I think overnight high is a good target here. On this breakout candle here.
Don't know if it's called big in this market right now, but
Yeah.
kind of slow day, like you said.
Yeah.
60-point
There
range.
she goes. There she goes.
But it could see expansion more now when the consolidating like that. But oh wow, that consolidating area is fucking dangerous. Wow, that's nasty. Oh yeah.
Yeah, there she goes. Yeah, this should be a, yeah, so this would have been my first trim spot here. With SPY reaching that overnight high. Yeah, and us putting in the highs there, yeah. Wow. Unfortunate.
That's a bit irritating, yeah.
I kind of think this is gonna hold though, because it's kind of
Yeah, this should be able to pull
going
higher,
slow.
but I just don't really like, it's too high for me to take this long here.
I had quite a lot of slippage on that stop loss. 4.5
Oh, really?
points.
I
Wow.
had no slippage.
Yeah, I had 7 points better entry than you.
Oh, really?
But still, yeah. That didn't matter. Almost took the same loss.
I'm surprised you didn't get
Almost
a
took the
trim off
same
then
loss.
at that 913 if you had
Yeah.
driven in.
I was gonna trim. I was gonna trim, but I was watching that expansion above 920 to take the trim. I think maybe you was looking at the same thing.
Yeah, I was looking for that 1 minute
Yeah.
liquidity on the left at 18.
Yeah. Same.
Take that out, trim, and then stops the DE.
I couldn't. Yeah, I couldn't really be stopped the full position there with that, as ES just retraced for higher. As I thought we wouldn't get stopped there, possibly if that was gonna see higher. But that just, yeah, that's
Yeah,
how it
here is
is.
valid full exit though as well if you're just looking for a, a target.
So crazy. It's so crazy because I got re-entered as soon as I exited, and then I closed it because I didn't really want it. But that was the entry that I was looking for like the last like 30-ish minutes or so.
Yeah, that's how it is. That's how it is.
I mean, I'm up on the day, but I mean, it's not nothing
That's nice.
significant.
That's nice though. Nice. Yeah.
Yeah, I
It's
call it.
$18.
Yeah, I think it's just gonna break the high here. Probably
Yeah,
go for that previous week high, 26K.
should be good to continue higher here.
Yeah. That's why I hate when it does like that, slowly go down and then find supply and not really fail breakdown and go higher. It's really hard to catch those longs as it fakes up so much. It's
Yeah,
nasty. It's nasty. When you have a big gap up, I mean, not else. Because not often when you don't have that big gap up, you see a fail breakdown and you see nice 5-minute candle, strong buying, and then
yep.
it keep going up.
Yeah, we just could have. I could have done that entry a lot better there. I'll say that. I should have honestly just waited for the top and the lower end of the range. Because those 10 points really would have saved us there. I don't think it was. Nah, it kind of was bad. It was kind of like right in the middle end to or higher end of the range there. Yeah, maybe 60s would have been better.
The real question is, do we take another one?
I don't know. Not really a fan of this price action, I'll be honest. But this is now that structure broke out, we could still maybe possibly look long on this retest on a 5 if we break out, but uh, yeah, I still don't really love this here. It's just no momentum at all.
Super slow. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we just do like Monday, just come back the next day.
Oh yeah, Monday. Yeah, good.
Just had super
Yeah.
slow price action. Just
Yeah,
come back.
Friday tomorrow, last trading day, and then we have a nice weekend, 4 days weekend with Monday closed, right? But that could indicate that we have a slower Friday also. But looks good. It's holding that retest there.
Yeah.
Oh, I just got access at least.
Oh, nice. Yeah. We could say we don't trade holidays days almost never. So Monday we're not gonna be here. As it's
Yep.
half day, the markets close 7 in Swedish time.
Yeah, that did give a backtest opportunity on that breakout. Right at that, what, 890. It's not terrible if you're trading the breakout, but
Yeah.
I just don't really love the momentum that we're getting right now. Although
You were
maybe now
target
that we,
940.
yeah, and maybe now that we broke out, we could actually see
Just,
some pickup after consolidating
uh,
all day, but we still have yet to clear the
yeah.
actual high on the close,
Yeah.
which I don't love. Yeah, like that
Alex, drop 100
906,
million.
906, 907, we didn't even get a 5-minute close above there.
Yeah.
And SPY's also at that overnight high.
Yeah,
Couldn't
no
close above the
momentum in
close.
there either.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mhm. I like the 30 minutes candle on ES though. It's good for slowly grinding
Yeah,
higher,
bigger
but
time frame looks still good in my opinion. I think we would definitely be able to pull higher, but it's just in time. Let's look at PayPal. Did PayPal give us a new entry again? 5680.
I got
Yeah, it came down back a little bit. We're actually flagging right now. If that could send us down to the lower 50s or in 50 in general, I think I'll probably take that buy for the long term.
Alex, drop 100 million on NQ real quick so the market can move. We get some price action.
If I had it. If I had it, I would. There's another thing I was looking at for long term as well. I forgot Forgot what I was looking at though. I was looking at it yesterday. I think I have it in my notes somewhere. Yeah, so tomorrow's Friday. Not a bad week overall, honestly. At least for me.
Yeah, my week is bad. My week is bad.
Still green on the week, so
Uh,
it's fine.
yeah, you are. I think I'm close to be. I'm not
Yeah.
sure this week.
Yeah,
Yeah,
just
he has
nothing.
reacted that overnight high there, open price. Yeah.
Yeah, just nothing actionable here. Maybe it's best we just call it. It's getting late, anyways.
Yeah.
Already better be 11.
Yeah.
So.
Thank you guys for the visit. Well,
Yeah,
I'll
thank you for
I'll
coming
be
in.
here with you
Yeah,
from now on.
it's nice to
Yeah,
meet you.
you'll be here. Yeah, nice.
Very nice. Glad to have some new people and voice. Hope you learned some stuff while being here. At least learned a little bit today. Not a very fun day today, unfortunately.
No, this is really ugly. I mean, you're green, right?
Yeah, you're
You're
green,
green,
so
I
that's
think.
nice.
Yeah,
Yeah,
just
yeah.
you
But
might be the only one
I
here
mean,
in green.
it's kind of a hard day. You're looking at this pre-mark and this EU session, and you can just see and then you look at the New York range. It's kind of not what you expect in a day like this.
Yeah. Yeah.
This looks good for VWAP now. I say they failed this. I think you pull lower here. Based
Take
on
all the
both
bottoms here.
safety and yeah.
Yeah, tickers look not great here.
And ES has some room as well.
In the last 3 trading days, Alex, I have made $119.
On 4M and Q.
Oh yeah, on 4M and Q.
Oh, I'm minus $1.25, Rich.
My
If it helps.
execution yesterday was atrocious. I don't know what the hell happened. And then the day after that, we took 2 trades, and we had the one losing one and then the one winning one. I just been making back like losses for the last 3 days.
It can be like that.
Actually
Unfortunate.
disgusting if this holds though.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, we have cell divergence here with, but yeah, it could still be the
ES at
range though.
7,000. That's the only thing telling me this could hold, but it's like
Yeah.
NQ
Just hope
probably
that's
want to take out some people here.
Yeah, I still want this to be up with Nvidia is setting up for overnight high here.
Where's Reebok right now?
20 points lower. So not a lot. We could see a draw below here and then just get bought up
Better
again.
take all the lows.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Take out the lows and just get bought, maybe. That'll be funny. Yeah, at least my levels are on
it's
point,
still at
though.
this
I
support
still think
level though, so yeah.
Levels are on point.
based on how that reacted, I still think we have room to 800 790 here.
Oh, there it goes.
Yeah.
There's
I think this
VWAP.
is a valid short, not right here. Yeah.
Pretty close.
Maybe on the rejection there. Um, After I recaptured back below VWAP, maybe like 870 or so. Might have been valid. Stop above VWAP or something like that. Or above 900. I don't know.
We're
I
like
think
3 ticks off of
I
VWAP.
could be wrong, but yeah, we might have room down to P hot here.
May very 17.
Yeah, I think I'll call it here.
We saw, yeah, but we saw some volatility increase at
Yeah,
least.
we did. Yeah, so this should
Yeah.
be the momentum we need to break out, unless, like I said, it holds VWAP and gets bought. Still have 3 minutes for this 5-minute candle close, so yeah. And Spy hasn't even lost anything yet.
Yeah.
In
It's
range.
right on the lows there.
Yeah.
Haven't even taken. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So let's call it here. Nothing